kids! Today we are learning to draw a big and happy daddy shark. Try to stay until the end of the video so you can see this amazing and scary daddy shark. Our daddy shark looks scary, ha ha ha. It's painting time. You can use purple to daddy shark's noise and blue for his body. I will use a pen to paint his noise and blue ink for his body, okay? Forget that you don't need to paint his belly. Let's touch up the colors a little. Our big daddy shark looks incredible! If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, as well as watch our other videos. Thanks for watching, kids!